Hey everyone, if you're looking for an easy way to edit photos, create graphics, and use AI-powered design tools directly from your browser, Pixlr AI is a great option. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pixlr AI from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account using your email address or another available sign-in option. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Pixlr dashboard. From here, you can start a new project, upload an image, or explore the available AI tools. To begin editing, upload a photo from your device. Pixlr will open the image in the editor, where you can access all of its design and AI features. For photo enhancements, try the AI retouching and adjustment tools. These features can help improve brightness, contrast, sharpness, and overall image quality with minimal effort. And that's how to use Pixlr AI in 2026. Whether you're editing photos, creating graphics, or generating images with AI, Pixlr offers a fast and beginner-friendly way to get the job done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.